Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This video is about fitting laminate flooring straight onto the underfloor heating mat. So before fitting the laminate flooring, obviously you need to choose which way you want to go and where to start. So the starting point, I think, when you open the door to the bedroom, so is the most visible wall, the wall opposite or the wall next to it. So there will be no cuts, they will be starting from the whole laminate floor panel. And the cuts will be at the other end when it's not shown so much, yeah. So I've got typical room, about 3 by 4 meters. I'm gonna start from this wall. That's the laminate I'm gonna fit. This is water resistant, suitable for underfloor heating. As you see, I've got the underfloor heating mat fitted here. Underneath there's 2 layers of insulation board, so altogether about 12 millimeters thick. This board is 9 millimeters. And it's tone and groove, as you see, system, so you don't need to glue it or anything. You just click one into another. So when you fit the laminate flooring, you need to leave an expansion gap between the wall and the flooring, about 1 centimeter all around the room. In this room, as you see, I removed the skirting boards. I'm gonna fit new. There will be seats on top of the laminate flooring. So then it's nice finish. I don't need to put any scotia trims in here. But if you've got the skirting fitted already, so then you just leave the gap between the skirting and the laminate flooring, and then with the scotia trim you need to cover this gap. So when you come to the point where the doors are, so you see the door should be here, so you need to leave a space to join these 2 laminates together. So basically something about 1.5 centimeters exactly under the door. So when you close the door, let's say you've got carpet here, you've got laminate here, when you close the door, so you won't see either the laminate on this side or the carpet on this side of the room. So I've got the first line of the laminate fitted, then the second one I started here. Always start at the same wall from the left to the right. What's important, here's a joint of these 2 boards, here's another one. So the distance between these 2 should be at least 40 centimeters. Just make sure it's not less than 40. Here's my fantastic drawing about how not to waste too much laminate flooring. There's the room, obviously there's the whole board, the first one, the second is the hole, the third one I just make a cut here, the off cut I put on this side, then the fourth one is a hole, fifth I need to cut, the off cut goes on the third line, and 6 is the hole, 7 the hole, and the 8th one obviously I need to cut and put on the 4th line to start. You always need to remember about this distance, 40 centimeters. And sometimes when you cut this on this side and you put the offcut on this side, and it's not possible to keep the 40 centimeters distance because the board will be, let's say, finishing somewhere here. So then obviously you need to cut the offcut again or start from the whole board. But this is just the idea how not to waste too much flooring, so I hope it helps. done. So the floor is fitted. It took me about 3 hours to fit this floor. Obviously I need to put the skirting all around, so another 2 hours. If you've got skirting already, so you need to put the sculpture trims. But anyway, it's done, looks okay. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel for more. Thank you for watching.